Hello and welcome back. We're going to look at alphabet-based designs for beginners. Sometimes it helps us to use something we already know to help us stitch free motion quilting designs. In this case, we use the letter V and the letter A to help us stitch a bow. Notice how the next bow is stitched just a little bit differently than the previous. Sometimes fewer starts and stops in a design make for a better stitching path. Next, let's combine the letters S and O to create a fun edge-to-edge filler design. Here's another design using the letter O. This time, we connect O's with the letter L. Notice how I make the letter O. It's very similar to making a figure 8. The Alphabet Design eBook mini course is perfect for confident beginners, those who want to build a strong foundation of free motion quilting using something they already know. Characters in the alphabet, designs just like these. Box letters are great designs for free motion quilting. Sometimes all you need to do is change the angle of a box letter like the letter B or D to give a completely new design. Perfect for edge-to-edge free motion quilting to get those quilts done quickly. I'm glad you're still here. This is Geraldine, the Living Water Quilter. Why don't you join us? Join the Alphabet Design eBook mini course community. When you join, you're part of a community. There's a private chat. You can upload your assignments, share them in the community, or get one-on-one coaching with me. We want to help you grow in your free motion quilting skills. I hope to see you there.